Hello guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix DDE server window OneDrive.exe application error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing DDE server window OneDrive.exe application error, then I will show you a simple method to fix this issue. First, you have to open the task manager. Just right click on this taskbar, then click on task manager. In this you can see here details tab. You just need to click on this. Here you have to find OneDrive. You can see in my case it's not showing here. If in your case you will find OneDrive, you just need to right click on that, then click on end task, then click on end process. After that you can see a startup. You need to click on this. Here you need to find Microsoft OneDrive. Suppose if this is your Microsoft OneDrive, you just need to right click on that, then select disable. After doing this, just close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix DDE server window OneDrive.exe application error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.